I step inside. It's just past midnight and the streets are calming down. But here, inside this Yakitori restaurant, the night is still alive. The faint smell of grilled meat and charcoal floats in the air. Yakitori. Simple, yet each screw held a world of flavors. There's something comforting in this. No need for fancy presentations or excessive ceremony. Just meat, fire, and salt. It's the purest form of dining. Skin, heart, liver, the classic negima, chicken with scallions, chicken meatball, and female capelin. That's what I'll have. Crispy on the outside, soft and fatty on the inside. The char from the grill adds depth, a slight bitterness that balances out the richness of the skin. Perfectly salted. This is exactly what I needed after a long day without much sleep. Firm, but not tough. The flavor is intense, almost earthy. There's a slight chewiness that keeps me focused on the taste. This is the kind of food that demands attention, that pulls you into the moment. Silky smooth. The liver melts in my mouth. The flavor is deep, almost metallic, but there's something luxurious about it. The bitterness, when done right, is strangely satisfying. This is one of those tastes you can't rush. The scallions are perfectly soft. Their sweetness almost caramelizing by the grill. The chicken is tender, juicy, a perfect combination. It's moments like this, in the simplest of dishes, that I find a real contentment. The meatball, tsukune, is soft but perfectly grilled, slightly crisp on the outside, juicy inside. When dipped in the raw egg yolk, it becomes something else entirely. The egg adds a creaminess, a richness that transforms each bite into something indulgent. There's a depth of flavor here that surprises me. Sweet, salty, and then the egg yolk. It's almost too good. The fish eggs pop in my mouth, releasing a salty, briny flavor that mixes with the soft, almost smoky flesh of the capelin. There's something primal about this, eating the fish and its eggs together. The flavor is concentrated. It's an explosion of textures. This crisp skin, the soft roll, and the firm flesh. An unexpected yet delightful experience. There's something about yakitori. No frills, no presentations, just honest food. It's like a conversation with an old friend. Familiar, comforting, and always welcome.